This is an Alpha Street 28C, and it is an absolutely fascinating boat for lots of reasons. First of all, there's a lot of customization, things like this is the cabin version.
Imagine silently slicing through the Long Island Sound on a yacht, wind tousling your hair. That peaceful vision is possible with a yacht, those luxurious and powerful vessels used for pleasure, cruising, or racing. While sailing yachts continue to exist, the development of reliable power plants created a new category of pleasant craft. The power plant started with the steam engine and transitioned to the internal combustion engine and brand new full electric yacht. Power yachts are considered the biggest environmental offenders. Noisy, smelly, fuel guzzlers. But more efficient power and lighter constructed watercraft are appearing more and more. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the world's first electric yacht. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. In 2017, Dasher Concept launched as the world's first fully electric luxury yacht. Hinckley started building boats in 1928. We've been known for building timeless boats built in the Maine tradition. And we've always been known for not just innovating for the sake of innovating, but using technology to augment the user experience, Scott Bryant told. The Tesla of the Sea is the name this yacht has gained, because as we know, Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company. 90-year-old boatmaker Hinckley Company unveiled Dasher, the world's first fully electric luxury yacht, at the 47th Newport International Boat Show. Named after Hinckley's first picnic-style boat, the 8.69-meter or 28.5-foot long, fully electric vessel represents the next generation of passenger water vehicles. Clearly, we've come a long way from oars and sails, to coal and gas to powerful electric motors. Scott Bryant told, "This isn't just an existing design where we dropped a couple of electric motors in. The boat has been designed ground up for electric propulsion. I would describe this boat in one word, and that is innovative." Unlike other vessels, the craft doesn't run on diesel fuel. Packed with twin 80 HP electric motors powered by BMW's 40 kWh i3 waterproof lithium-ion batteries, rechargeable via a dual 50-amp dock, Dasher is the lightest boat Hinckley has ever made. Barely 2,950 kilograms, or 6,500 pounds. Designed from the ground up for fully electric propulsion, Dasher achieves a new standard of excellence with modern styling paired with super lightweight construction. The Dasher is the lightest boat Hinckley has built to date, weighing just 6,500 pounds. The lightweight design was achieved by using carbon fiber in the hull and stringers. The weight was further kept down by the use of what Hinckley calls artisanal teak. Instead of the traditional dense hardwood, artisanal teak is actually a molded composite material that is hand-painted with wood grain. Bryant says the results are literally indistinguishable from real teak. With this in mind, the Dasher doesn't lack any of the bells and whistles needed for entertaining. Hidden cup holders slide out with a light tap, and the captain's windshield can be concealed with the touch of a button. The boat also features an adjustable frameless windshield, 3D printed titanium hardware, and a custom interface display that monitors how far drivers can go before they need to turn around and recharge, which is typically around 40 miles. In addition to its lessened environmental impact, the electric yacht boasts a more immediate win. It's completely silent, even while running. If it were a normal boat with gasoline engines or diesel engines, you would actually hear it or smell it rumbling here next to us, Bryant says. But it's on, it's ready to go. If I were to get on the boat and push the throttles forward, complete silence. The buyer of this boat is somebody that desires a different type of experience on the water, Bryant says of the power boat. In terms of price though, it's not so light. Cost estimates run up to $500,000. It is a luxury yacht after all. The vessel promises a performance worthy of any seafarer, boasting a cruising speed of around 8.6 knots, 16 kilometers per hour or 10 miles per hour, and a range of about 35 nautical miles, NM, 64 kilometers or 40 miles. Dasher can travel up to 22 NM, 40 kilometers or 25 miles, at speeds of 15.6 to 23.5 knots, 29 to 43.5 kilometers per hour, or 18 to 27 miles per hour. Hinckley doesn't have plans to go completely electric, but they do think many of the features developed for the Dasher will be seen in future yacht iterations to come. Bryant says, "I don't believe the Dasher will be our only electric propulsion product. I think what we're looking to do is incorporate a bunch of the features that we're introducing on Dasher into our other products. There's so much going on in the automotive space, and just in the energy storage space right now, that to not be a part of it is just silly." One advantage electric yachts have is that most marinas have existing sophisticated power infrastructure. The Dasher can fully recharge via a pair of standard 50-amp lines in only 4 hours. While you'll still need a boat license to drive the Dasher yacht in most places in the world, it has been designed with more novice captains in mind, simplifying the boat's controls. A retractable windshield and a joystick means docking is relatively easy. If an all-electric yacht sounds like just the toy for you, you'll need about $500,000 and the patience to wait until summer 2018 to get your order fulfilled. Public test rides on Dasher prototypes will happen later this year. Hinckley expects the statistics released along with the boat's announcement will be able to be improved upon by the time the boat is in full production. Brian expands on this, saying, "When we started this project a little more than 2 years ago, our test boat actually used a totally different battery, similar in weight to the existing i3 batteries that we have in there now, but it had about 30% less power density, which translated to 30% less range. So really, we're riding a development wave in ways that's pretty significant right now in the marketplace." In keeping with its main heritage, the Hinckley Company's core values of craftsmanship and hard work are rounded out by unsurpassed customer service. Hinckley owners are not just buying a boat, they're investing in the experience of being a part of the Hinckley family. The boatyards offer services from basic maintenance to winter storage and full-time care, and has a roster of Hinckley-trained and vetted captains. In this, there is truly a spirit of heirloom quality, of preserving the boats for future generations and owners. When building a boat, Hinckley ensures that the customer is as involved as much as they would like to be. This is part of the experience. Going to the boat building yard is not going to a factory. It is going to a high-level craftsman workshop. Every detail, every line has been considered, and this is no less for the Dasher. With its open transom and complete freedom from engine noise, it connects its captain and passengers with the ocean in a profound way. The Dasher isn't going to be taking you across any oceans then, but with its shallow draft of just over 2 feet, it will allow you to explore some of the more remote areas of your local coastline. And all in near silence. Exploring coves and inlets with Dasher's 3-foot draft makes navigating difficult-to-reach estuaries all the more possible, and this experience is priceless. Mike Arrieta, Hinckley's chief operating officer, reiterates that this has been the goal, to produce a boat that gives its passengers the ultimate experience, with an heirloom quality and unsurpassed service. Since Dasher is hull number 1, there will no doubt be more options and modifications, including perhaps a lightweight carbon fiber hardtop and different seating arrangements. Bryant says that with continued breakthroughs in battery technology, that Dasher could well be the start of another trend in yachting. There have been many ongoing developments in battery density and storage, says Bryant. It seems like every quarter we're seeing new technologies that would increase the range and running times of an electric boat like Dasher. Beyond the Dasher's technical innovations, her aesthetics are a long way removed from the picnic boat. Her lines are more akin to some of the design-forward smaller boats that have begun to come on the market, or the custom super yacht limo tenders that have appeared in recent years. Bryant sees the Dasher's lightweight, retractable windscreen and electric power as perfect for the latter application. Though it's the first of its kind, Dasher isn't the only electric boat. The Duffy 18 Snug Harbor is an electric vessel designed for casual cruising. While several companies have designed their own experimental or promotional high-speed electric boats, Alva Yacht is an electric luxury yacht brand harnessing uncompromised design and cutting-edge technology. On the larger scale, China even has plans to build an all-electric warship. There will always be those who fancy the old-school electric launches with their dowdy appointments and timorous temperaments, or the roar of internal combustion engines. But for early adopters who love classic styling, the Dasher feels like a bit of tomorrow today. A future in which all boats and land-based vehicles are powered by electricity doesn't seem that far off. And Hinckley is excited to make that transition. And there you have it, folks. Tell us what you think about this electric yacht down in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Till next time.